What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. This video we're going to be detailing the 32. Probably going to detail the interior, engine bay as well. I just really want to get the engine bay super clean. There are a few things I want to address on the interior here. I'll show you guys here real quick if I have the key. And I don't. I gotta go grab the key real quick. If you guys haven't checked out last video yet, this is the new AMG we picked up on the channel. Interior wise, we're going to be detailing. There are a few things here. I'm not exactly too sure what it is, but when you look right here, it kind of looks like there's some sort of coating or dirt on here. So I'm not too sure what it is. I don't think it's sun damage, because if it was sun damage, this would be damaged. But this is what I definitely want to take care of, and this spot over here as well, because I don't know what it is. But other than that, interior is super clean. There's not much really to detail on it, but just to clean it up, most of the detailing will be in the engine bay and washing the cars. That's the goal for today. Yeah, definitely check out last video if you guys want to keep up with the content on the 32. Got this car sight unseen. Mechanically, there's nothing wrong with it. Everything works on this car. It's fantastic. It's great. It's already rolling. So the door, you said you got it cleaned.
Yeah.
It was literally just dirt.
It literally just like kicked on dirt. Look at this. That's just from that little spot on the door.
Yeah, that came off pretty like easily.
So it makes me think that it's the same case here, that it's gonna come off easy. So I sprayed some cleaner. I'm kind of letting it sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna try and scrub it off and get the rest of this cleaned up.
That is really thick. Look at that, guys. I gotta zoom in on that. Here, show it.
It's almost like mud. That's the texture of it now that it's wet.
That's
like,
disgusting though.
Like nobody ever cleaned this part of the car.
Here, I'll do a closer up.
Look at that. Like, what? I've never seen this.
It's coming off though.
It's coming off, but it's
oh, that
really
is disgusting.
Gross. Holy cow.
Ugh.
I need more paper towels.
Yeah, let me go grab some real quick. Oh, look at that. It's like someone's skin. Guys, I'm pretty sure that's skin, like skin material probably. I'm probably gonna end up bringing some gloves, my work gloves. Here's some gloves and some paper towels. I'm gonna throw this out.
Okay. Who does this to a car? Like, the rest of the car is perfect, but then like
just the middle.
This nonsense, like, oh.
Yeah, wow, that's crazy. Holy crap. To be honest, I don't even know if it's worth you wasting that on that. Maybe dish soap might get it cleaned.
A dish soap and a small bowl of water. Alright, so Michael had the idea of using a sponge
and what's it called? Dish soap, like
warm water.
Dawn Blue dish soap. Nice. I was gone for like 2 seconds.
Just took a little bit of warm water and dish soap.
Yeah, that feels a lot better.
It's still like, you can't see it, but it's still dirty. So I'm gonna go in with some just interior cleaner and get it so the paper towel doesn't come off dirty anymore.
It'll probably be a lot smoother once we use leather conditioner.
Yeah.
That's like the only major thing in the interior that needed really cleaned. If you guys want to know what we're using on the interior, we're using Chemical Guys cleaner and protectant. So you can pretty much use that on like the dashboard, the glass, the windows, the seats as well, before using a leather conditioner. So we'll be using that, and also I think it's Chemical Guys leather conditioner as well. Let me go grab it real quick. This is not sponsored anyways, but we like using Chemical Guys. This is the leather conditioner I was talking about, Chemical Guys. This stuff is really great. I use it on the CLK also, and I have this as well, but either way, the other cleaner works, and this cleaner also works. Okay, that looks 10 times better. I got all the dust cleared off of it. I'll keep working on it, but I figured I'll show you guys the process of how I clean my engine bay. This, I'm gonna detail it with some shine so it looks a lot better. This looks like the paint on the intake looks like was coming off, and they tried putting some sort of paint on it to mask off what was going on there. I'll show you guys once I put some shine on here, and it will look a lot better. Wow, the interior turned out really good. Looks really good. Nice job.
Thanks.
Guys, trust me, I'm working on it too. I'm working on the engine bay while she cleans the interior.
It wasn't too bad, just the center console.
But this looks good. Oh, it's a lot smoother. It's not as sticky also. It's getting a lot darker, but it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. Paint is in really good shape. It's so clean. Calipers turned out really good also. Wheels, not too bad. I'm gonna close out on this video. I'm happy with how, clean it turned out. I'll do some more digging just to inspect the engine bay and all that. It's in good shape, so I don't expect anything weird, anything, maybe just valve covers, but we'll see. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.